3, 2, 1, let's go.
Halo friend, salam.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Kemudian kita buat database dengan nama yang disesuaikan dengan koneksi pada file coding database, lalu lanjutkan proses import database yang sudah tersedia di dalam file database yang sudah kalian download sebelumnya. Lanjut kita akan coba reload. Apakah berhasil? Masih gagal ya friend? Oke, mari kita rubah pada bagian koneksi ke database melalui coding config. Kemudian kita reload lagi friend. Oke, berhasil ya friend. Kemudian kita akan ditujukan ke halaman utama login dari sistem ini ya friend. Kalian boleh kreasikan sesuai dengan kebutuhan friend. Oke friend, jika kalian ingin lebih banyak belajar source code gratis, kalian boleh buka channel YouTube Kasep Kode. Jangan lupa bantu push like, share dan subscribe ya friend. Mari kita lanjut login ke halaman admin friend. Pada halaman admin ini, terdapat beberapa menu pilihan. Kita akan coba inputkan data untuk karyawan ya friend. Kemudian terdapat juga beberapa menu pilihan untuk merubah data sesuai kebutuhan ya friend. Kemudian pada menu ambil QR Code, kita harus memasukkan nama karyawan yang akan kita buatkan QR kodenya. Oke friend, akan kita download dalam bentuk PDF kemudian akan saya pindahkan ke HP saya untuk nanti scan pada saat absensi ya friend. Kemudian kita akan login ke halaman operator ya friend. Sebelum kita login, saya akan pindahkan QR Code berikut ke handphone agar memudahkan pada saat scan absensi nantinya ya friend. Kemudian pada halaman operator ini, operator tidak bisa menambah, edit dan hapus, berbeda tugas dengan admin ya friend. Kemudian kita akan coba scan absensi QR kodenya ya friend. Mari kita eksekusi. Silahkan disimak ya friend. Oke, sudah selesai absen masuk ya friend. Kita coba cek pada bagian histori rekap absensinya. Mari kita coba untuk absen pulang ya friend. Oke, sudah berhasil ya friend. Ketika kita scan lagi maka akan ada pemberitahuan sudah scan ya friend.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
The pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Oke, sudah berhasil ya friend dan berjalan sesuai harapan. Oke friend, jika kalian ingin lebih banyak belajar source code gratis, kalian boleh buka channel YouTube Kasep Kode. Jangan lupa bantu push like, share, dan subscribe ya friend. Oke friend, sekian untuk video kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat untuk kalian sebagai bahan pembelajaran. Kami sangat mengharapkan jika kalian bisa memberi inovasi baru untuk sistem ini agar lebih baik dan lebih banyak fitur yang terbaru. Kami mohon bantuannya untuk like, komen, dan subscribe agar kami terus semangat untuk membagikan source code yang lebih baik dan menarik. Jangan lupa komentar jika kalian ingin request source code sebagai referensi. Terima kasih friend, sampai bertemu di lain kesempatan. Salam semangat sobat belajar.
3, 2, 1, let's go!